Welcome back student in online learning classes. Today in this video we are going to start with new topic that is enrichment of soil or improving the soil fertility. So what do you understand by enrichment of soil and why it is necessary? Student, in class 7 you learned that soil is composed of distinct layer and the rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. Humus increases the fertility of soil. A vertical section through different layer of soil is called soil profile, and the uppermost layer of soil profile is generally dark in color and rich in humus. Humus provides nutrient to growing plants. This layer is called topsoil. So topsoil supports life. Crops grow in topsoil and derive nutrients from it. For example, it derives nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, calcium, manganese, molybdenum, copper, boron, zinc, iron and sulfur. And plants absorb this type of nutrients with the help of roots. So roots here absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Once the crop is harvested, the topsoil in which the crop has been growing gets poor in minerals. The soil needs enrichment with minerals before another crop is planted on it. First thing a farmer does is to plow the field. It helps in turning the soil, but it may not help in improving the soil fertility. So, the lost plant nutrients in the soil are replenished with the addition of fertilizer and manure. So, we can make the soil fertile again by adding manure and fertilizer. So, what is manure? Manure are organic substance obtained from decomposition of plants and animal waste, and these manures contain nutrients that are essential for the healthy growth of plant. Manuring is done to replenish soil with nutrients. Now let us understand how we can make the manure. For making manure, we need crop residue, organic household waste like vegetable and fruit peels, cow dung and earthworm, and these things are thrown into the pit and left to decompose for 3 or 4 weeks. Then these material change into compost or manure. Now let us understand the advantage of manuring. Manure improves the soil fertility. It improves or it increases the water retaining capacity of soil. Means it increases the water holding capacity of soil. It makes the soil porous and exchange of gases become easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes in the soil. And it replenishes the soil with necessary nutrients. Now let us understand what is fertilizer. Fertilizers are man-made and purely chemical substance. They are prepared in fertilizer factories. Some common examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, calcium ammonium nitrate, potassium phosphate, etc. What are fertilizers? So, fertilizers are chemical compounds that are rich in mineral nutrients that is essential for the growth of the plant. Salts of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are the 3 essential plant nutrients. N stands for nitrogen, P stands for phosphorus and K stands for potassium. Fertilizer may be a mixture of 3 major plant nutrients such as sulfur or NPK. Nitrogen is responsible for the healthy growth of the leaves. Phosphorus is responsible for the strong roots and potassium is responsible for the healthy growth of the whole plant. Let us understand about the advantage and disadvantage of fertilizer. Fertilizer help farmer to get better yield of crops because the use of fertilizer is the sure fastest and easiest way of providing mineral nutrition to the crop plants. So what are the disadvantages of fertilizers? It creates water pollution. So it is a source of water pollution because fertilizers may also leach into the soil with rainwater and make the groundwater poison or pollute the groundwater. Fertilizer made the soil less fertile. Artificial fertilizers often cause diseases. Fertilizers should be used with utmost care. Too much use of fertilizers can upset the chemical nature of soil and also result in the burning or browning of the leaves of the crop plant. Now let us understand the difference between the fertilizer and manure. Fertilizer is chemical substance and manure is natural substance. Fertilizer is inorganic substance and manure is organic substance. Inorganic substance means it does not contain carbon and hydrogen, and organic substance means it contains carbon and hydrogen. Fertilizers are prepared in factories and manures are prepared in fields. Fertilizer does not humidify the soil, means it does not provide humus to the soil, and manure provide humus to the soil. Fertilizers are rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and manures are less rich in plant nutrients. So, what is the conclusion? Manure is organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants and animal waste. We add manure for adding nutrients again into the soil. Manure results in stronger plant and better growth. Fertilizers are the chemical substance that are rich in mineral nutrients. So, this is for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.